Hello guys, we're playing Geometry Dash today. But if I die, the Birdmans are gonna get me and kill me. I hope I don't die today. So let's go. Let's go hit that. I love flying. No, 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 no!